English-Indonesian verb focus, have equals,
memiliki,
and,
punya.
closing parenthesis. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey do. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Settle in, smile, and get ready to own the verb. Have. Your keys to Indonesian are about to jingle. Your goal today. You and I, do, we'll lock in the core forms so you can use them anywhere. We'll master these in minutes. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Quick forms you'll use. Snapshot time. Repeat after me for clean, confident speech. Have equals.
Memiliki,
Formal.
punya.
Casual. I have equals.
Saya punya.
Casual.
Saya memiliki.
Formal. You have, singular, equals.
Kamu punya.
He has equals.
Dia punya.
She has equals.
Dia punya.
It has equals.
Itu memiliki.
We have, exclusive, equals.
Kami punya.
You have, plural, equals.
Kalian punya.
They have equals.
Mereka punya.
Mini dialogue, keys, tickets, and snacks. Act it out with me, short, punchy, and a little silly. A. Do you have the keys? B. Yes.
Saya punya.
Kuncha. A. Great. Does he have the tickets? B. Yes.
Dia punya.
Ticket. A. What about the gadget? Does it have a big battery? B. Yup.
Itu memiliki.
Baterai besar. A. As a team, do we have snacks? B. Relax.
Kami punya.
Camillan. A. And you all, do you have water bottles? Group. Tend to.
Kalian punya.
Botol masing-masing. A. Do they have the map? B. Ya.
Mereka punya.
Pita. Culture tip. Sound natural fast. Speak like locals while staying clear and polite. Use.
Punya.
In everyday talk.
Saya punya.
Buku is friendly and common. Choose.
Memiliki.
For formal tone or writing.
Itu memiliki.
Tiga fitur. Avoid using.
Ada.
For possession with a subject, don't say, I there is a book. Say.
Saya punya.
Buku or.
Saya memiliki.
Buku. Call and response drill. Repeat boldly, do, own each line after the beep. Have, formal.
Memiliki.
I have a book.
Saya punya.
Buku. You have time.
Kamu punya.
Walk to. He has a bike.
Dia punya.
Sepeda. She has a plan.
Dia punya.
Rencana. It has many uses.
Itu memiliki.
Banyak kegunaan. We have a meeting.
Kami punya.
Rapid. You, plural, have tickets.
Kalian punya.
Ticket. They have umbrellas.
Mereka punya.
Payung. Speed quiz. Quick check, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q. How do you say, I have? A.
Saya punya.
Q. You have, singular, casual. A.
Kamu punya.
Q. He has. A.
Dia punya.
Q. It has. A.
Itu memiliki.
Q. We have, exclusive. A.
Kami punya.
Q. You have, plural. A.
Kalian punya.
Q. They have. A.
Mereka punya.
Fun challenge. Let's get playful and personal, make it yours. Look around and say 3 truths. I have, you have, we have, using.
Saya punya. Kamu punya. Kami punya.
Point to an object and describe a feature it has.
Itu memiliki.
Plus feature. To friends, say, you have the photo, right?
Kalian punya.
Photo, con? Spot a group and comment, they have the idea.
Mereka punya.
I'd. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, do, your Indonesian just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have, with.
Memiliki.
And.
Punya.
In real life. For more bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and culture tips, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Sampai jumpa, see you next time.